SAFEMOON is embroiled in legal wranglings once more. Exactly when the SAFEMOON community believed it had conquered the disaster that was. In addition to CoffeeZilla's current legal issues, a new lawsuit has been filed against him. SAFEMOON. The SAFEMOON team and others are expected to be charged again soon. To soon appear in court. When a document was released online, we discovered this. SAFEMOON appears to be on the verge of a major crisis. Wait till the end of the video to see how awful things can become. If now is a good time to sell, and if so, what you should do next. Greetings, SAFEMOON Army, and thank you for your support. I appreciate you taking the time to look at my channel. Your presence is always appreciated. Even though today's video has a little bit of terrible news, it's still going to be a lot of fun. Ahead of time. SAFEMOON is once again entangled in a legal dispute, and this time there is a possibility of a settlement. The SAFEMOON team has no way out. In the meantime, this channel is your one-stop shop for all of the most popular news stories and the most recent developments in SAFEMOON. This is why it is imperative that SAFEMOON owners subscribe and receive notifications. There's a little bell next to it, just in case I upload a new movie to the channel. So, without further ado, let's take a look at the day's news. Is SAFEMOON currently in any legal hot water? As I mentioned at the outset, there had been a breach on the web. On your computer screen right now, you can clearly see a court docket. The U.S. District Court's electronic case filing system is the document's title. Case 2:22 CV00332 is filed in the Utah Central District Court. The docket information for Rakaukas v. SAFEMOON US et al. Can be found by continuing to read. This shows that the matter has been classified as a securities fraud case. On May 17, 2022, a man named Christopher Rakaukas filed it. On behalf of everyone else in the same boat, requesting $5 million. An individual named Tano is named as one of the defendants in the lawsuit. SAFEMOON LLC, SAFEMOON Limited, SAFEMOON Protocol, SAFEMOON Media Group, Braden John Carney, David Portnoy. Ryan Arriaga is a former SAFEMOON Global Head of Products and is now CEO, while Jack Haynes Davis and Sean King are. In addition to Witriel, there are a number of other notable players in the game. Daniel M. Keene, Cortez M. Way, Ben Phillips, and Miles Parks McCollum. The case has been indexed and assigned to Magistrate Judge Dustin, according to the docket. Filed under the name of BP. The summons for all defendants was sent to them electronically as well. A response from the defendants has not been revealed in this document. Or, if necessary, how and when they will be brought before a court of law. When I first came upon this document, I was just as skeptical as you are. On this piece of paper. For the time being, there is no reason to doubt this. On Bloomberg Law, a credible and well-known online resource, the docket was published. A search for relevant legal information. Wikipedia states that Bloomberg Law is a subscription-based service. Online legal research that employs data analytics and AI. Bloomberg LP provides this service. Legal content and confidential information were introduced in 2009. A source for legal professionals that are interested in corporate information and the latest news. Coverage of state, federal, and select international courts is provided by Bloomberg Law Docket. Cases. As I indicated previously, this is a federal lawsuit. That's all there is to it, as far as jokes go. Only a few specifics regarding the case can be gleaned from the docket. The only thing it mentions is that it's a financial crime. Securities fraud is the false representation or omission of material facts in a security offering. Securities trading by providing them with just the right amount of data. Securities fraud, according to the FBI, includes criminal conduct such as high-yield investments. Currency trading and foreign currency fraud are examples of Ponzi and pyramid schemes. Fraud involving hedge funds, late-day trading, and embezzlement. Most of the time, the fraudster uses false representations to deceive investors and to the financial markets influence the financial markets in some way. All of the above operations are clearly outside of SAFEMOON's jurisdiction, hence they cannot be attributed to the company. This is what is meant by. As a result, this appears to be yet another attempt to bring down SAFEMOON or at least divert attention away from it. The current project that the team is currently engaged in. The SAFEMOON team hasn't talked anything about this case as of yet, and neither has anyone else. Members of the community. However, according to the docket, all defendants received a fair trial. On June 24th, their summons was sent to them. If this is the case, then the team's legal counsel is most obviously involved in the matter. Already, we've seen that this is a non-issue, as we've seen. As a result, the situation is likely to erupt as soon as the previous one did. For now, it's preferable to wait for the team to provide further details. We can count on them to keep us informed if the situation warrants it in the future. Days. Team SAFEMOON continues to make progress, despite the efforts of others to divert their attention and take them to court, while being showered with praise from industry heavyweights. Yesterday, Binancebut Daily unveiled its exceptional Binance market cap leaders in a tweet. A well thought out chain. And what's more, SAFEMOON, your favorite token, was ranked as the best performer in the infrastructure category. Other ecos, such as Gala and Bitrise, followed in its wake. This is not simply another empty award without any meaning. The tweet from Daily sums it up: when the money flows in, the top market cap projects will be the most profitable. Low capitalization investments, which will be the focus of our next report, will follow. Infographics. What more proof do you need, guys? There's little doubt that SAFEMOON will weather this bad market. SAFEMOON will be one of the few remaining low capital projects when the money starts flowing. What that would mean for SAFEMOON's price and what it would mean for holders are also included. Having said that, even though SAFEMOON's future appears promising, it could face certain challenges. Before the light returns, it gets a little gloomy. SAFEMOON prices may continue to fall in the near future, according to technical analysis. For additional information on this topic, please watch the video's second half. In the meantime, here's a little announcement. A daily giveaway of 1,000 SAFEMOON V2 tokens is held on this channel. A chance to win 1,000 V2 tokens is as simple as signing up for the newsletter. If you'd like to support this channel and this video, use #SAFEMOON. Best of luck to you. Time to return to the video, then. So, before we wrap up today's video, let's discuss a little bit about SAFEMOON's pricing. This requires a little bit of technical investigation. But don't worry, I'll make sure to simplify things for even a 5-year-old to understand. It's possible for the elderly to get it. Many of us would like to think that the price of SAFEMOON is about to begin an upward trend. In fact, I'd like to join you. A quick look at the chart shows that SAFEMOON's prices are much more likely to rise than fall. Another slump is imminent. The DXY chart reveals this. How can I know what DXY stands for? Is the question in your mind? That's right. DXY is a currency index that compares the strength of the US dollar to a basket of 6 other world currencies. The euro, the pound, the franc, the yen, the Canadian dollar, and the SEK. Because the currencies are weighted, the euro has the biggest percentage of the total. It is included in the basket as a global commodity. As a result, the DXY index rises as the US dollar appreciates in value. Any currency with the most weight in the basket at the time, including the euro. So, is there a link between the DXY index and the price of cryptocurrencies? According to market analysts, the answer to this question is yes, and there is a correlation. This one appears to be a downer. As a result, cryptocurrency values fall when DXY is high and rise when DXY is low. In the crypto market, the DXY chart shows that the index appears to be attempting a new high. Soon you'll be able to see the sky. If that's the case, then the cryptocurrency market is in for further price falls, even those in the future. SAFEMOON. It's not financial advice, but it's not bad. So, before making any investment decisions, please conduct your own research. Following the recent volatility in the price of Bitcoin, there has been a significant decrease in network activity. In the middle of June, there was a little crash. According to news.com, this decrease was expected due to a decrease in network activity. During a decline, there is typically a rush to get out of a digital asset. There has been a return to normalcy in a number of indicators, including the number of daily miners. During this time, revenue remains sluggish. Good news for the crypto market, therefore, as this may mean that things should start to settle down soon. Despite this, a large number of former Bitcoin billionaires are currently in the process of. The market meltdown has taken a huge amount of their savings, and they are licking their wounds. Fortune. According to Cointelegraph, more than 80,000 people have invested in Bitcoin. As a result of the crypto market slump, they lost their millionaire status, but the reduced prices indicate total coiners are on the rise. As of November 12, just after Bitcoin exceeded $69,000, there were more than 100,000 Bitcoin addresses. Records were kept for accounts with total assets exceeding $1 million. Now that number has reduced to about 26K, indicating a decline in paper consumption. 75% of the population is wealthy. However, there's something more going on that's worth noting. In spite of previous Bitcoin billionaires declining wealth, the bear market has. Almost 13,000 whole coins, wallets that hold one or more Bitcoins, have been created in the last few days. There are already more than 860,000 whole coins on the market. This dramatic increase in the number of full coiners suggests that regular investors are becoming increasingly interested in. As the price of Bitcoin plummets, people are stockpiling massive sums of it. According to reports, these Bitcoin devotees aren't the only ones who remain optimistic about the cryptocurrency industry. Reveal. JP Morgan, a renowned economist, also feels that the most financially sound crypto firms are the best investments. Sheets have the best chance of surviving and emerging stronger after the current period has concluded. Over. Also, according to JP Morgan, the crypto winter will come to an end soon, and according to the author, there are two explanations for this. To begin with, more financially sound crypto firms are stepping up to the plate to provide assistance. Prevent the spread of disease. As a follow-up, we have the steady flow of venture capital money, which is a significant factor. Investor in digital assets as a source of funding. The combination of these two factors suggests a bright future for the cryptocurrency market and its participants. In the trade. Is JP Morgan correct in his assertions? The crypto winter may soon be over. In the comments below, please tell me what you think, and I'll be sure to read them. Out. We'll wrap up today's video with that. Thank you for your time. Section. In terms of the YouTube algorithm, this is a huge help. This video is a must-see for any true SafeMoon fan.